quietly set the foundation for everything that followed. They weren't built for attention, yet they carried performance that changed expectations completely. Most people overlooked them back then. Today, they stand as some of the rarest and most underrated pieces of automotive history. 9. Dodge Custom Royal Lancer D500. Futuristic styling meets serious performance here, and the moment this machine begins to move, it becomes clear that it carried far more capability than most people expected from cars of its time. The 1959 Dodge Custom Royal Lancer D500 wasn't just about bold design and dramatic lines. It represented a step toward performance-focused engineering, combining large displacement power with a full-size body that still managed to feel surprisingly responsive when pushed. Weighing around 3,950 pounds, the car carried a heavy and planted feel on the road. That weight helped it maintain stability during acceleration, allowing it to use its power in a controlled and confident way. What stands out immediately is how smoothly it delivers that performance. Instead of sudden bursts, the power builds steadily, creating a sense of momentum that continues to increase as you stay on the throttle. Under the hood sat a 5.9-liter V8 engine, producing around 320 horsepower and delivering approximately 435 pound-feet of torque, giving it strong output for its era. It could accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 7.5 seconds, which made it feel quick for a full-size car of the late 1950s. From behind the wheel, the experience feels composed and powerful. The throttle response is clear, and the car moves forward with a steady force that feels both controlled and engaging. Instead of focusing purely on raw aggression, this machine balances strength with smoothness. It doesn't overwhelm the driver, it builds confidence through consistency. The design reflects that same philosophy, combining dramatic styling with a solid and capable stance that hints at its performance potential. It doesn't try to behave like a lightweight sports car, and that honesty is part of what gives it character. There's a sense of weight behind every movement, adding to the feeling of stability rather than limiting it. Push it further, and the response continues to build in a steady and controlled way. See it today, and what becomes clear isn't just its bold design, but how effectively it delivered performance at a time when that idea was only just beginning to take shape. 8. Chrysler 300B. Quiet authority defines this machine, and the moment it begins to move, it becomes clear that it was built to deliver performance in a way that feels both controlled and powerful. The 1956 Chrysler 300B didn't rely on dramatic styling to stand out. Instead, it focused on engineering, combining a full-size body with serious power to create one of the most capable cars of its time. It wasn't designed to be flashy, it was designed to perform. Under the hood sat a 5.8-liter V8 engine, producing around 355 horsepower and delivering approximately 390 pound-feet of torque, giving it impressive output for the era. It could accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 7 seconds, making it one of the quicker full-size cars available. What becomes noticeable right away is how refined the power delivery feels. It doesn't hit suddenly, instead it builds in a smooth and controlled way, creating a steady surge forward. Weighing roughly 4,100 pounds, the car carried a heavy and stable presence. That weight helped it remain planted during acceleration, allowing it to use its power effectively without feeling unstable. From behind the wheel, the experience feels composed and confident. The throttle response is predictable, and the car moves in a way that feels balanced rather than aggressive. Instead of focusing purely on raw force, this machine delivers performance with a sense of control. It doesn't try to overwhelm the driver, it offers a more measured and consistent experience. The design reflects that same philosophy, with clean lines and a strong stance that emphasize capability without unnecessary detail. 7. Chrysler 300C. Presence alone hints at something serious here, and once this machine starts moving, it becomes clear that it was engineered to deliver performance far beyond what most expected from its era. The 1957 Chrysler 300C continued the evolution of high-performance full-size cars, combining advanced engineering with strong power output. It didn't rely on lightweight construction. Instead, it used sheer strength and refinement to create a driving experience that felt both powerful and controlled. Weighing around 4,200 pounds, the car carried a substantial implanted feel on the road. That weight helped it remain stable under acceleration, giving the driver confidence as speed increased. What stands out immediately is how effortlessly it builds speed. The power doesn't arrive abruptly. Instead, it increases steadily, creating a smooth yet forceful surge that feels consistent throughout. Under the hood sat a 6.4-liter V8 engine, producing around 375 horsepower and delivering approximately 420 pound-feet of torque, giving it impressive output. It could accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 6.8 seconds, which made it one of the fastest full-size cars of its time. From behind the wheel, the experience feels controlled and composed. The throttle response is clear, and the car reacts in a way that feels predictable and easy to manage. Instead of focusing purely on aggression, this machine delivers performance with a sense of balance. It doesn't overwhelm, it maintains control even when pushed. The design reflects that same approach, combining bold styling with a solid and confident stance that suggests strength without excess. It doesn't try to behave like a smaller performance car, and that honesty is what gives it character. There's a sense of stability in how it moves, where everything feels grounded and secure. Push it further, and the response continues to build smoothly.